so this is going to be a very quick tutorial on just how to find measures using rigid transformations. So pretty much when you're doing this, there's only one thing you really need to know, and that is rigid transformations never change shape, which means that when you have a shape and it undergoes any type of rigid transformation, which, by the way, includes translations, reflections, and rotations. So when any shape undergoes one of these, they never change. So essentially, this is just, it's almost in essence a trick question, which sounds kind of weird, but I mean, it will never change shape. So what you're going to do on every question is just really just look at the way it's rotated, and you can see it's actually giving you more information because it's labeling different sides. So I'm going to get into some practice problems here. Okay, so for this one, you can pretty much ignore all these. Actually, don't ignore the A and B, but you can pretty much ignore all these degrees unless you're finding something that involves them. They're really not necessary because, I mean, I guess it kind of helps, but you really don't need it. So let's just reconstruct this shape, or let's just do everything, add all the information this shape gives us onto this shape. So it says that it's 30 and 20 on the two sides bordering the right angle, and on the two far sides, the longer one, which is between D and A, is 32, and the shorter one is 22. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty much that simple. So now we'll just add them all together. So 20 plus 30 plus 22 plus 32, and that's 104 units. So yeah, we'll do a few more real quick. Now this is even easier because all it is really is it's giving us a triangle that's just been translated. So the sides are going to be the same, they're not even rotated at all. So, but now okay, so it wants us to find the measure of angle B actually. So we don't even need the sides. All we need are the angles. So we know this angle will still be 26 degrees. And now we just use the measure since the total, triangles, all their degrees will always add up to 180. We just take 180. We subtract 80. So that's 100. And then we subtract 26. And that's just 74. So angle B is 74. Alright, last one. So, okay, so for this one, all it wants us to do is find the length of segment BC. Okay, so what information does it give us? Okay, so we know right next to the right angle, this this is a lot simpler than I thought. So since here B prime and C prime have a distance of 41 degrees, or of just 41, then B and C will be 41. So yeah, just length of segment B is 41 units. So yeah, just a quick tutorial. Hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.